So after comparison operators, next we will have the logical operators. Okay, it will be check the logics. Okay, so logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions and they allow you to perform more complex comparison. Okay, so if you want to if you want to perform or if you want to do much more complex comparisons, at that time we can use the logical operators. Now what are the logical operators? So there are basically three types of logical operators: and, or, and not. So what it will be does the and is nothing but returns true if both conditions are true. This is very most important. Both conditions are true. Or returns true if at least one condition is true. And not reverse the result. So return false if condition is true and returns true if condition is false. So let me see with the help of the example. Here you can see 5 is greater than 3. Yes. 10 is greater than 8. Yes. So answer will be true. Here 5 is less than 3. Yes. 10 is greater than 8. Yes. Answer is true. Not operator. 5 is greater than 3. False. Why? Because 5 is greater than 3. So answer is yes. But reverse of yes is no. So that is answer is false. Okay. So reverse of true is false. So answer is showing here false. Let me see with the help of example. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 5. So using the AND operator. Okay. So let me run the code and let me show you. You need to practice the code so that you will be have much more confidence. So A is greater than C. Yes. B is also greater than A. Yes. So conditions are true. So here both conditions are true. So it will be print both conditions are true because A and B both conditions are true. So it will be printing the message both conditions are true. If A is greater than B, no. C is greater than A, no. So it will be print C is less than A. Sorry, C is less than A. Yes, C is less than A. So at least one condition is true. Not both conditions are true, but one condition is true. Let's say if A is equal to B, no. A and B are not equal to. But here we are using not operator. So opposite of no or opposite of false is true. So it will be print this message. A is not equal to B. Right? Because this condition is satisfied, then this message will be shown. Let's say A and B I am making equal. And let me run the code. So as you can see, only one line is satisfied. These two conditions are not satisfied, so no print message will be there. Okay. Similarly, next one. So Python offers three fundamental logical operators, as we know: and, or, and not. These operators are used to combine logical conditional statements and evaluate the overall truth value of expression, typically resulting in a Boolean form, either true and false. AND operator, what it will be does, return the true if both conditions are true, return the false if at least one condition is false. So x is greater than 5 and y is less than 5, it will be true if x is greater than 5 and y is less than 10, right? Similarly, we have seen about the OR operator. OR operator, at least one condition is true, return it will be shows you that returns true if at least one operand is true. return false if both operands are false. So age is less than 18, or if student will be true, then the age is less than 18, or person will be student or not. This is just one example. Not operator, it will be does the reverse. So if the answer is true, it will be make it false. If the answer is false, it will be making the true. So this is the example and description about logical operator and, or, and not.